Alright, so let's get this metal up. Let's get a measurement, pre-drill my holes in the metal, and then we'll get this temporary wall built. Come along for the ride. They said we couldn't do it. They called us crazy. Nobody starts a farm anymore. We weren't gonna listen. This is C.F.F, and I got something for you to look at. Hey everybody, so today I gotta finish up the metal on the back, and I gotta find it first. So I'm trying to unbury these sheets of metal and jump right into this project. I'm finishing up that back wall, and I can figure out a way to close the back so I can put some heat in the barn temporarily. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure up the back wall, because that's going to be a little bit different than all the rest, because this is only going to have a temporary wall for the time being, the opening. So I got to put the metal up on the gable, and then what I have to do is I got to put temporary boards up, and it's finally warm enough to get up there and do it. So I want to say it's somewhere close to 34 degrees out right now. So it's not too bad out. Everything's pinned in place that's gonna get screwed. I'll go through and pre-drill all these holes. Now I'm gonna use to pre-drill them, just a screw. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure it fits. So, I'm going to come back, grab my metal, my trim, my metal, I'm going to go up and screw it in if it fits on that starter piece. Alright everybody, so the first piece is always the hardest. You got to make sure you got it squared up and that it's plumb. So I'm good there. Now everything else should just slip together.
Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your family, and we will see you next time.